Getting interrupted by calls and notifications at the wrong time on your iPhone, enabling Do Not Disturb can help you manage these interruptions effectively. Here is how you can enable or disable Do Not Disturb to silence calls and notifications on your iPhone. Solution 1. Enable Do Not Disturb from Control Center. Swipe down from the top right corner of your iPhone screen or swipe up from the bottom on the older models to open the Control Center. Look for the focus icon, tap on it, tap the Do Not Disturb mode. From here, you'll see the moon icon in the status bar indicating that Do Not Disturb is enabled. Solution 2. Schedule Do Not Disturb. Open Settings, scroll down and tap Focus, tap Do Not Disturb, tap Add Schedule or Automation, set the time or location when you want to Do Not Disturb to be enabled, customize the settings to allow calls from certain contacts or repeated calls. Solution 3. Customize Do Not Disturb settings. Open Settings, scroll down and tap Focus, tap Do Not Disturb, customize the settings according to your preference. Most likely, your problem will be solved by following these steps. Now, if you still have any issue or need further assistance, please let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.